Today we came here to respond to this disaster that has occurred in the Marakwet East. We have here 3 wards that have been affected. That is Mbobut and Bolot ward, Endo ward, and Sambrid ward. We have been able to evacuate about 25 injured victims of this disaster. But we still also have more than 30 people who are missing. We can account for about 15 persons who have already died. And so everything is being done here to make sure that this situation is handled. We have proper coordination in terms of on the ground here, led by the Deputy County Commissioner here and the various agencies. I want to appreciate the multi-agency approach, the military, the police, and also the Ngao officers who are here. The county government is heavily involved, and the governor is here himself, and also the Red Cross and other partners who are non-state actors. We will establish a proper mechanism for continued search, and already we have established a desk here for families to report their missing persons. And we will be updating the country in the course of time. I just want to say that this is really unfortunate. We have also used our chiefs to make sure that we move our people to safe grounds in this area. And I believe that if we work together as a team,